Welcome back, YouTube. This is day 2 of Cam's trading journey, here with your host Cam, or also known as Turtleman Cam. I'm going to be showing you the trades I took today. So today I took 2 trades, 1 loss, 1 win, still profitable. As you guys may know from my last video, I'm a fixed risk to reward trader, so I only look for 3-to-1 setups, and I only try to take 2 trades a day, or no more than 2 trades a day. So that is my rules. It's been working. If you haven't watched my previous video, I definitely recommend it, just so you understand my strategy and to understand what I am, what kind of setups I'm looking for. Because today is going to be a much shorter episode. I'm not going to be diving too deep into, the strategies and stuff like that. I'm just going to be showing you the trades I took and why I took it. But I mean, I'm doing this little YouTube series to not only share my experience throughout this whole month, but I'm also doing it to help me as well. I want to make sure that I'm taking A+ setups. I want to make sure that I'm following my rules, managing my risk properly, and just always trying to improve my psychology as well, which is very important as a trader, especially for the long term. So yeah, let's get into it though. So today, I am really basing my analysis off of yesterday's session. We didn't really go anywhere. It was very choppy. So not really a big area to really go off of. It's from the value area that I'm looking at is 61.26 and 61.33. So not a very big zone, which is fine with me. And what I'm looking for is if we open above prior session volume, I want to see it come back down. This is where we would try to long, so at the 61.33, and then look for continuation to the upside, and then vice versa for if we open below prior session volume, prior session value area, we will look for it to come down, come back up, set our limits at 126, and look for continuation down. Very simple. 3-to-1, risking 3 points to make 9 points. That is the name of the game here. So today's open actually opened below, which is perfect. I just explained we're going to be looking for it to come back up where I enter here at 126 and to come back down. And around this time, as you guys may already know, I like to wait 10 to 15 minutes after the bell, just before I enter a trade, just to avoid all the massive volatility and stuff like that. I like the market to get, to calm down a little bit before I enter into the market. So here it is. This is around the point where I entered into my short position here. Let's see, 3 points and 9. So I wanted it to come back to 126, and it did. But problem was it completely went through and almost immediately stopped me out, which is okay. But now I see that the market, especially with this massive green candle closing above our prior session value area low, I can see that the market wants to go bullish. So I decided to try to long the value area low of 61.26, and then take it up for my 9 points, set my stop loss to 3 points. And yeah, so I was going for a little support and resistance flip, or resistance support flip, and it instantly got me in. And it was honestly to a tick. I mean, look at that. It bounced right to a tick, zero drawdown. Now I was already in profit, and this trade ran pretty much immediately. It was a great feeling. I did not want to end the day down, and luckily I didn't have to. So today I am 6 points in profit. Let me get my. So I took a screenshot of my profit today, up about $521. This is the amount of trades I took, which are 2, and this is commission. So $520 today profit. I will absolutely take that. Today was a great day, and yeah, this is and I just want to show you what the market did after I took profit, just for your sake. So it kept running a lot. It continued to ran. It ran for about 20 something points, but that's okay. That just shows the power of the strategy. And you know, if you had a more dynamic risk management strategy, then this strategy could be great for you. It's very simple, easy to follow, and I swear by it. I don't think I'm ever gonna leave the strategy. So yeah, well, thank you for tuning in. Like I said, if you haven't watched the first video before, please, I do recommend watching it, just so you understand what strategy I'm using moving forward. But yeah, with that being said, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good day.